Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay with Cash App on Xbox. So first you need to select the game that you want to purchase. So I'm going to show all PC games here. So this is the game that I want to purchase. So you simply need to select that game, and here you can see two options: get game pass or buy. So I want to buy this. Wait for few seconds here. So on this window you simply need to click on get started and a way to pay. Here you can see three options: credit or debit card, e-wallet, redeem a gift card. So you simply need to click on credit or debit card, and then you need to add your Cash App card details here and click on save, and you can use that to purchase this game. So this is the process how you can pay with Cash App on Xbox. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.